Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. Taurus. So today we have Emperor, Seven of Pentacles in reverse and Three of Swords in reverse. So Taurus, in your situation, you are someone in an important position. Maybe you are a team leader or a CEO, someone with a lot of responsibilities, and you are a person with a lot of authority and power, leadership qualities. You are a strong-willed and determined person. So whatever choices you make, you try to stand by those choices. You try to do things the right way, and you have your views and ideals in any situation. So you try to follow that, try to do everything the right way. And today you may have a lot of dreams about your relationship or about your career, and you are working towards those dreams, planning something for your future. So it may be your energy in this relationship. Maybe you wish for certain things. You may have a lot of fantasies about your future, about this love, what you need to do, what will be the way things will go in your situation. And you are quite worried because maybe you have seen some difficult situation in the past. Your past relationship has been a difficult one, and you are not sure about the way this person will think or decide for this relationship. Maybe you are quite happy with this person, you are quite happy in this love, but you don't know what this person will think or decide or plan. So there is some confusion, something not something that might worry you. But there are also some distractions coming in your life today. Maybe you are meeting with the person you were trying to avoid. So it may be your ex, or it may be your a friend of yours whom you had a very difficult relationship with, some arguments or misunderstanding. You never wanted to see this person, but they are here to meet you. It may be a coincidence, or they have come to tell you something. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's Ten of Swords. So maybe in this love there may be some difficulties. You need to you need to change, or you need to try to change So for some of you, this relationship is um, maybe giving you sadness, or maybe making you very much worried, because this person may not understand you. That is what I see with this card. But Taurus, your life is in your hands. These are just cards. These may point out to the direction where you need to work on. So you need to have a good communication with this person you love. That is what I see with these cards. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. We have picked one card, Ace of Swords. So in your work situation, there will be a lot of opportunities coming, good offers coming in your work circumstances, but you need to work really hard because there is a lot of competition in your work circumstances. So though you may see it as a good opportunity, to sustain this opportunity you need to put in tremendous efforts, Taurus. So that is the reading with these cards for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. It is a Crystal Spirits card, and the crystal for y'all today is amethyst, and the message with this crystal. So in your circumstances, maybe you are quite comfortable the way things are in this connection, way circumstances are going. But this crystal reminds you to see that you may have some exciting possibilities of something better in this relationship. So when you are with this person, you feel really comfortable and happy about the way things are going. Maybe just because you are used to it, you don't want to change it. But if you change the way you are in this relationship, you are going to feel much more happy if you give up your old ways of interaction or your actions, change in your actions. That is going to bring a major change in this relationship. So even smaller things like saying thank you or I love you is going to make a difference today, make a huge difference, and it is going to be the first step towards healing. So whatever difficulties in your circumstances you may have, you are going to walk that path of healing. And just like you want to listen to this person, you want this person to listen to you when you say something. So it may be something they are quite uncomfortable about, but you are going to say that. Just the same way, when they say something, you will feel defensive. So this may be the time you need to rethink about your situation, rethink about the way you are in this relationship, and this is the time for rediscovery, calling you to deepen the trust and intimacy you have with this person. So you need not feel shy, you just have to go forward, march on, take all their whatever complaints or whatever regrets they have in a positive mindset and change it and build more trust and build more intimacy in this relationship. That is the energy here with this crystal. And if we meditate with this crystal, it is simply going to open our minds, release all the stress we have, and release all that expectation we have in our life, expectations of what we should be doing instead of just enjoying what is there with us already. And this crystal helps us to connect with the spirit and increase our intuitive abilities. So that is the energy with this crystal. So that is the energy with this card for you all, for those who chose this card. So let us see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is brother and sister, transformation. Such a beautiful card here. So in your circumstances today, maybe you are not listening to someone's warnings, or someone is trying to tell you something, and this card is about the energy is about finding the balance. So you may want certain things, but when you obtain it, what will be the result? Are you going to enjoy it? Are you truly happy for what you have achieved? So trying to find the balance between what you want and what is the reality. And you are being warned about something. Maybe someone close to you is telling you to avoid certain things, but you are not listening to them. That may be the reason for the consequences or for the circumstances you are facing today. So you need to be really balanced, have that balanced mindset that is going to help you today. And you may have people you need to take care of, or there are people taking care of you. So when they are advising you certain things, you must listen to them. And this card also speaks about the close relationship we share with friends and family members, and trying to understand the difference between what you want and the things that will harm you. So you must understand that, and you must wish accordingly. So the things that you wish may hurt you, so you must not wish that. That is the reason people are advising you against it. So if that is the circumstance today, you must listen to this advice. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.